Have you ever told yourself, I just need to lose weight, and then everything will feel better? You start strong, new plan, new motivation, maybe even a full reset. And for a few days, you're consistent. But then life happens. You get busy, you get tired, you miss a day, and suddenly it feels like you're back at the beginning again. If that sounds familiar, I want you to hear this clearly. You don't need more motivation. You need a simpler way to start. This is episode 13, and today we're talking about how to lose weight as a beginner in a way that actually lasts. Not extreme diets, not cutting everything out, not trying to become a completely different person overnight, but small, realistic shifts that you can actually stick to. By the end of this conversation, you'll feel less overwhelmed and more clear about where to begin. Let's start with the biggest mistake beginners make. They try to change everything at once. New diet, new workout plan, new routine, all in one day. And it feels exciting at first, but it's not sustainable. Author James Clear, in Atomic Habits, explains that real change doesn't come from big actions. It comes from small actions done consistently. So instead of asking, how do I lose a lot of weight quickly? Ask, what is one small habit I can stick to daily? Let me ask you something. What's one thing in your current routine that you know you could improve without completely overwhelming yourself? Maybe it's drinking more water, walking daily, eating slightly better portions, cooking one more meal at home. Start there, because weight loss, at its core, comes down to consistency, not perfection. Another important shift is understanding this. You don't need to be extreme. You just need to be slightly better repeatedly. For example, if you usually don't move much during the day, start with a 10-minute walk. If you usually snack late at night, start by reducing it, not eliminating it completely. Small changes are easier to repeat, and repetition is what creates results. Now let's talk about something most people overlook, your mindset, because how you think about the process matters. If you tell yourself, I have to do this perfectly, I can't mess up, I need fast results, you create pressure, and pressure often leads to burnout. Instead, shift to this. I'm learning how to take care of myself. I'm building habits. I'm improving over time. That mindset keeps you consistent. Now let me pause for a moment. If this is helping you feel less overwhelmed and more clear about where to start, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss more conversations like this. And if something here resonates with you, leave a comment with one word that describes how you're feeling right now. Maybe it's ready, starting, hopeful, or motivated. Or share how this video has helped you, because your comment might be exactly what someone else needs to keep going. Let's continue. Another key idea comes from focusing on identity. Instead of saying, I'm trying to lose weight, start saying, I'm someone who takes care of my body. That small shift changes your behavior, because now you're not forcing actions. You're becoming a person who naturally makes better choices. And here's something really important. You will have off days. You will miss workouts. You will eat things you didn't plan to eat. That's normal. What matters is not what happens once. It's what you do next. Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about returning. As we come to the end of this episode, remember this. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a plan you can actually follow. Start small. Stay consistent. Be patient with yourself. Because real change doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small decisions, repeated daily. Thank you for being here. If this helped you, subscribe so you can tune in next time for more conversations about mindset, habits, and becoming your best self. And if you feel like it, leave a comment with one word that describes how you're feeling right now. Take it one step at a time. You're not behind. You're just getting started. And I'll see you next time.